Hi, welcome back to third video session of chapter 2. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I'm going to discuss about conversion from binary to decimal number system and octal number system. Previous class I explained about the binary number system. Now let us discuss one by one with example. So binary number systems, you have seen the example of the how binary convert the binary number to decimal number. Right? So binary number has base 2. Why it is 2? Because we use 0 and 2, 0. Binary number has two digits, that is 0 and 1. That is why we use the base or radix 2. And the decimal number systems, as you are familiar with the decimal number system, we use in mathematics, that is 0 to 9, it has base 10. Right. So now see example conversion from binary to decimal number system. Convert binary number 11001010 into decimal number system. So here you can see from rightmost to leftmost, 0 is the zeroth position is the least significant bit, and here see the one rightmost, one leftmost one is the seventh position here, and it's the ms. Okay. So most significant digit is here 1, and 0 is the least significant digit. Okay. Now see with the example how we convert the decimal number system to previous class we were how to convert decimal number to binary number, and also you will learn how to convert the binary number to decimal number. Let us discuss. First of all, take example so that see here the binary number to decimal number. Here the number that is the 11001012. Right? It has base 2 because it is a binary number, and it uses 0 and 1. Now, what is the place value? First of all, we write down why base number 0, and from right to go right to left, and see here the what is the position. This is the 0th position. This one is the 1 0 1 2 to the power 0, that is 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Multiply 0 multiply by 2 to the power 0. Second, from the rightmost side 1 here. So 1, what is the 1 multiply by 2 to the power 1. Then move to the third digit, that is 0 into 2 square. Next, fourth digit, that again here the 1. Fourth, so 1 multiply by 2 cube. Move to the next digit, fifth, that is 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus again 0 here, sixth position, 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 is there, 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power 7. First write down this form. Now, so 0 into 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 is equal to what? 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Remember, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So write down 0 into 1, that is 0. Again, 1 into 2 to the power 1, that is 1 into 2, that is 2. Next, 0 into 4, that is 0. Next, 1 into 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 1 multiplied by 8, that is 8. And the 0 into 2 to the power 4, that is 16. 0 into 16, that is 0. Again, plus 0 into 2 to the power 5, that is 32. 0 into 32, again 0. Plus sign and plus 1 into 2 to the power 6. Multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 times. Then we get 64. Plus 64. Again put plus sign and 2 to the power 7. That is 120. Once sum up and 2. Once sum up the digit, get 202. And write down the base because we are going to convert binary to decimal. So put here the base of the decimal number, that is 10. So this is a simple process and hope it is clear. Next, just going to discuss about the octal number system. What is the base of the first base of the decimal number? That is 10 because it uses 10 digits. Binding number system has base 2 because it uses 0 and 1. Similar to the small number system, you can see here the octal number system. It uses 8 digits, 0 to 7. So it has base. So it has base 8, right? And so octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is 0 to 7 with the base 8 because it uses 8 digits. Only then it has base 8, right? The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to the binary to the decimal number conversion. What is the difference? Only difference is the change of the base. It has base, octal number system, it has base 8. Okay. So okay. So each octal number can be represented using the only 3 bits, with each group of bits having a each value between 000, 40 and 1114. First digit is 1, so you can just write down here the 1, second 2, 4, this way 8, right? I'm just going to explain the table so that you can understand. Okay? The equivalent binary number of octal number chart here you can see here. Octal digit, this is 0. How we can write down the binary equivalent? Octal, this is the octal and this is the binary number. So because it uses 3 bits, so now you can see 0 can be written as 000. Now move to 1, you can write down 001. Again 2 can be written as 010. 3 similarly 011. 4 can be written 104. And 5 can be written 124, 6 110, 7 111. Just write down this way also, right? 1, we're going to write down 1 from the rightmost side. We have 1, 2, 4, to the s multiple of square 4, 8. And when we are going to write down the example, take example 3. So how we write 3? First of all, we take 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So put here the 1 plus 2, put here 1. Again, we require 2. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Again, put here. And rest put here 0, because 3 bits. Write down here 0. Simple. So 0, 1, 1. Take another example. I just want to write down the 15. How can we write 15? First of all, we require 1. Yes, 1 require 1 plus 1. Write down 15 is equal to binary number 1. Again 1 plus 2, 3. Yes, 1 write down again 1. 3 plus 4, that is 7. And 7 plus 8, that is 15. Right. So this is the decimal to, this is decimal to binary number. Can simply, we can also use the division method. So you need to write down here this way 1, 2, 3, 4. But we use in the decimal to binary number system. Okay. So it is, I hope it is clear how we convert binary to decimal to binary and octal to binary. Next, see the example of the octal number system. The number 111 is interpreted as here 111, right? And we just going to convert this. How we convert? Write down in the octal number system. We use from the rightmost side 1 into here. This is the 8 to the power 0. Again, this one is the 8 to the power 1, and this one 8 square. So it can be written as 1 into 8 to the power 0. Okay, and 1 into 8 square. What is the value of this one? See, this one is the 111. So 1 into 8 square, 0, 1, 2. Again, what is the value? This one 5 into 8 to the power 1 and 7 into 8 to the power 0. Can be written as 157. When you sum up the number 8 to the power 0, that is the 1. Then 5 into 8 to the power 1, that is 8, and 8 square 64. When you sum up, we get the 157. Right. So this way you can. We have another method, that is the decimal number 21 to represent octal representation. So when we divide the octal number system, we divide the number by 8. So 8 to the 16 and 5 is remainder, put here the 5 remainder. So this way we can write 28, 21 can be written as 2, this is the 2 into 8 to the power 1 and 5 into 8 to the power 0. So can just solve 8 to the power 0, 1 into 5, that is the 1 into 5, that is 5, plus 2 into 8 to the power 1, that is the 8 to the 16. 16 plus 5, that is 21. And how can we write down in the octal? This is the 1, this is the 2, from the bottom to right, 2 to the power 5, and write down 25, and base it is 8 because it is the octal. I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.